ESP32 based ATM system. So here is the code for the same. I have included necessary libraries, the Wi-Fi client, libraries for Telegram bot, and libraries for uploading live streams on thingspeak. So these are the Wi-Fi credentials. Then to interact with bot, we just a minute. So to interact with the bot, we have adopted this bot tokens and chat ID. Uh, then to publish data on ThingsPic, these are the channel numbers and API keys of that channel. Then the universal telegram bot library. Then I have declared these constants, the 9 touch pins of ESP32. uh, then this function is to make touch pins of ESP to act like a button by setting some threshold. So for single pin, for each pin, I did that and returned the respective number of that touch pin. Then there is function to verify OTP. So for for verifying OTP, what we will do by comparing individual digits of OTP generated and OTP we entered, we will compare them, and if they match, then function will return true, else false. So it will take randomly generated OTP as a input parameter. You can see here string OTP, and OTP is generated randomly in the login section of this code. This is the login section. Yeah, so this is the login section in which this random function will generate the random OTP. Okay, so yeah, so once we get that OTP, we will convert it into int using this toInt function. Then these are the individual digits. Then we will print the OTP. We will get the digits of that touch pin, and we will print the OTP. And then delay of 3 seconds is given there, so that we could print easily. And this loop accepts actually 2 readings, and it prints only 2 touch pin readings because our OTP is of 2 digits. So this if else conditions will verify that OTP. Then then we have declared the number of 2000 nodes left, 1000 nodes left, and 500 nodes left. Also there is one variable available balance, which is initialized with 25,000. Then we have one function amount to be withdrawn. uh, what it will do is it will do all the operations like letting user know about available denominations, taking denominations user wants to withdraw as input through touch pins, printing the requested denominations, amount entered for withdrawal, and finally we can say balance available in our account. uh, that also it will give us. So these are the uh, these are the things which will be displayed on serial monitor. Okay, so what we have did is we have set uh, we have set touch 6 for withdraw of 2000 rupees. We have set touch 5 to withdraw single 1000 rupees note, and touch 4 for 500 rupees note. And and once we enter all the denominations, once we are done with the denominations, then touch pin 3 we need to touch, because we need to confirm if we are done with giving input. So we will touch that pin. Now in this loop we will get the denominations by the user. So yeah, if this touch pin 3 is pressed, then which means you're done with denominations. Okay, and this will break the loop. Else if t is equal to 6, what is t? T is the get digit, means which touch sensor has been pressed, has been touched, that we will get to know by t. So if t equal to 6, then the message will be you just requested for one denomination of rupees 1000, and this deno 2000 variable will be incremented. So similarly for 5 and for 4, and it will display you just requested for one denomination of 1000, one denomination of 500. Okay, so denominations we chose, this code will print that. Mm, amount entered is valid. So we may enter some random amount which may not be valid. So to validate that, we will have this condition. Okay, okay. So the amount which user entered would be something this: 200 into number of nodes he chosen for 2000 rupees, plus 1000 into number of nodes he chosen for 1000 rupees, plus 500 into number of nodes he chosen for 500. Okay, so the amount is this, and number of nodes left will be calculated by this subtraction, and available balance is calculated accordingly. So amount is successfully withdrawn and available balance is this. Yeah, this. Okay. Okay, so the denominations entered doesn't satisfy available number of nodes. This is the else part. If it is available, then this won't be executed, and if it is not available, then you may re-enter the amount. This facility we also provided for OTP. In login section, we provided that facility to re-enter the OTP if our OTP entered is wrong. And we need to press touch 7 button, touch 7 pin to re-enter any other touch pin to exit. Okay, so now this is the handle new messages function, which will handle all the incoming messages from the bot, and it will verify it with the chat ID. Then this will print the received message. These are the standard codes which we used in LED control using telebot. Then this is the start command, which will print the welcome message and something like this. I'll show. Yeah, start will print something like this. Welcome Pranav. Use the following commands to control the ESP32-based ATM system. Send login, send slash login to login into the system, and after successfully. Sorry for the inconvenience. The video got stopped suddenly. So we saw the start command. Now let's come to the login command. Now when we enter this login command, then this random function will generate this OTP. Then we need to enter that OTP, and that OTP will be verified using the verify OTP function, which we declared earlier. So if the OTP is correct, then this loop will be executed, and if it is wrong, then we will be given another chance to verify OTP until the OTP is correct. So this function will be called again here. Okay, so we have provided this facility for re-entering the OTP in case we submitted the wrong one. Then the denominations of amount we want to withdraw, then means after validating the OTP, then we can enter the denominations of amount we want to withdraw. So the we will print the number of nodes available with us. So here we have printed that, and then uh, we will press touch 6 if we want to withdraw 2000 rupee note, touch 5 if you want to withdraw 1000, and touch 4 for 500. And for confirmation we will press touch pin 3. So same message we have displayed on telebot. Now this withdraw amount function will be executed. uh, then after the denominations we are left with, uh, the denominations which we choose for, that will be displayed, and the final amount too. And uh, and the amount is successfully withdrawn. This message will be displayed for the confirmation. And if you want to know the balance of our account, then we need to give slash balance command. uh, uh, that's the next one. So when we give this command, then the denominations left will also be displayed, like as shown here. So printing the same on the board. Now in void setup we have declared pin mode, we have initialized the serial monitor, we have initialized Wi-Fi, we have also initialized thingspeak. uh, Then we have also printed the local IP address of ESP on the serial monitor. Then in this void loop, this loop will be executed, which will check for the new responses continuously. Then for posting on ThingsPeak, we will give this condition when Wi-Fi dot status is not is equal to WL connected. So if this condition is true, then data will be posted continuously on ThingsPeak. So for data to be sent on ThingsPeak, I have declared four strings, namely available balance, uh, denominations of true 2000, which are done, denominations of 1000 which are done, and denominations of 5000 which are done. So that will be displayed on ThingsPeak. Thank you. Now we will see the. Okay, so here, let's say we have to deposit rupees 6,000, and we will take three denominations of rupees 2,000 notes. So we will press GPIO 14 three times, which is touch 6. Okay, so we have pressed GPIO 14 three times. Now let's confirm our denominations that we chose. So for confirming, we need to press touch pin 3, that is GPIO 15. So we'll press that. So here our telebot is uh, very user friendly, and it's clearly indicating the number of denominations of each node we have chosen and the total amount we need to withdraw. And also it's also it has withdrawn that amount now. And for letting know the balance, we need to give this slash balance command. So we will give that. In serial monitor, you can see the quick response, quick output. In telebot, it takes a bit time. As we have withdrawn three notes of rupees 5,000, so two are left, and we didn't touch rupees 1,000 rupees notes and 500 rupees notes. So those are as it is. Now let's see the same. Let's quickly see if the denominations are replicated in on the thingspeak account. So let's open the thingspeak here. Available balance is 19,000. That is 25,000 minus 6,000, so it's correct. uh, we did three denominations for 2,000 rupees notes, 0 for 1,000 and 5 for 0 for 500. So it's getting posted on thingspeaks also. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.